Good day, world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. I don't know when this video will finish, but today's Freedom Day. Freedom Day? Yes, I think so. Well, we have a public holiday on a Wednesday in the middle of the week. I'm having huge problems with my internet. I don't know what's going on there, but it takes me days to get videos loaded. The things you saw previously, I did last weekend already. It only took like 2 days to upload, and yeah, so whatever. Anyway, I'm bored. Today we're gonna braai, and then tomorrow it's back to work for Thursday and Friday, and then it's weekend again. And I think then we have a long weekend. I'm not sure. And we have lots of public holidays in April, which is fantastic, but it's very confusing and it's a very busy time of the year. So, yeah. Anyway, so today I have nothing to do. Well, I have things to do, but I'm not going to do it. So, let's make a knife. Now, I'm not sure what knife this is going to be. I'm going to recycle an old knife that I made from a machete at some stage. Yeah. And then I'm going to see. Maybe a small fixed blade, maybe a friction folder. I will see. I just do not know at this stage. Okay, we're lucky. This was a previous project I've kind of forgot about. This was a machete, then a kitchen knife, then I wanted to do something else. I made this big choil thing over here. I already marked a pivot, I think. I'm not sure what happened here, but I can see that I annealed this thing again. So when we're done, we're going to have to heat treat it. It still looks quite straight. No, there's a slight bend in it. Anyway, so we will have to do a few things to this, but I'm not sure how this is going to end up. So let's start grinding first. Because I am a super safe guy, I'm going to wear this thing. The only thing is it's full of spiders, so unless a spider bites me in the face, I should be fine. And then we're going to start off with these two. One for shaping handles and things, and one for cutting metal. Previously I used to be a better person and I made this grinding jig, but I never use this anymore. These days I just take an old sharpening stone and I just clamp the thing to that. And then when I want to set angles, I just change the tilt of the table. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to win any competitions for straightest grinds in the world, but it's already very sharp, which is a problem because I still have to heat treat the thing. So I might just take off a bit of the edge before I do that. And now I just want to do something to the top while a dog is eating another dog. Okay, there's definitely something to say, sorry about the shakiness, for flying by the seat of your pants. Point one, I don't have, apart from a piece of pop rivet, I don't have anything thin enough to go through my holes. Second thing, if I make this ginormous handle, then it will fit. But if I make a handle that actually looks like a normal handle, then I'm going to have to remove a part of my blade again. So, oh, and this is definitely going to be a friction folder now, otherwise it's going to be the knife with the smallest little handle in the world. Okay, so let's start sawing and seeing what I can do. Okay, I don't know if you can see that focus, but I'm trying to get that little notch out there. So we are down to hand filing, and I hate this. Okay, so this is the weird blade shape we're gonna have now. Full of angles, full of sharp edges, full of things that's gonna get you. But let's sand this with an old piece of 120 grit emery paper just to get all the lines in a straight line, and then I'm gonna, I think, first like partially treat the blade, just the edge, and then I will see if I'm gonna sand it again, and then we will finish the handle. Okay, so I very crudely sawed my piece of wood in twine, and now we're gonna put it all together and see if it works. Get a little piece of metal backspacer and then sand the nonsense out of it. Okay. I can see a few problems. Let's see if we grind the problems out of this, what will happen next. Okay, things are not looking too good at this stage, but we'll see after some serious grinding. Okay, the blade is as far as it's gonna go now. I'm not gonna stone wash it, but I'm going to, what do you call it, later. Maybe make a few more scratches in it. I don't know why I like that, but I like that. And I sanded it with a very rough sandpaper because my grinds are horrible. But now it's sharp at the front and on all the sides, and this corner is definitely going to catch me at some stage. Anyway, so I'm going to get that thing as dark as I can, and I have a fresh piece of 120 emery paper, and we're going to start sanding the handle. So this horrible looking thing over here is the handle. I'm going to emery paper the life out of this, and then gonna put it together and see what we have. To get this thing darker, I have this container and power fix rust mate, but the thing is a lot of acid in it, so I'm going to pour it in there and see how dark I can get it. Okay, as you can see, there's lots of bubbles coming off it, so either it's going to be very shiny or very dark. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, and here is this beast. Okay, it's sharp everywhere. We've got it pinned, it's got a thick handle, the thing at the back sticks out a bit, but it works quite nicely. It's just a bit of a mission to open one-handed. Those marks come from the inside of the wood, I don't know why. I suppose it's my whatever scratching off. So there we go. We have a friction folder. I made one of these, sorry, just let me get it open again. I made one of these years ago and it looked way better, but then I first did it in cardboard and I should have done that again. This is smooth, although it does look quite horrible, and it is rosewood, so it should look better. But there we go. Hour and a half of messing around and making a weird looking knife. Okay, stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye.